bum spray and bum bleaching party.
Hello, madam. Yes, I see you're a female. Yes, quite distinguished. I'm looking for voters in the area. Do you have any trouble with the Equality Act? This is what I believe a part of my policies.
What's politics? Well, the other day I've been trying to get a job and I find it quite hard as a woman, and this happened. Yeah, thanks.
Oh, yeah. All right, love, yeah, take a seat. What can I do for you?
Hiya, I'm Cindy the Wag. You might have heard of me.
Nah, never heard of you, love. What can you bring to the table for this company?
2 eggs in a hairnet. They're the nuts, yeah.
What? Nah, sorry, love, nothing going on at the moment. No jobs about at the moment.
Oh.
Whoa! You got the job! Nah, sorry, love, nothing going on at the moment. No jobs about at the moment.